Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to try the stocking cap method. I am going to try my best to do this correctly, so bear with me. So I have a stocking cap on my head and I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued hairspray to secure the stocking cap onto my head. Now this I don't think I'm doing right. I think it's supposed to be like on my forehead, but instead I sprayed it on my hairline, so yikes. I hope my hair doesn't come out. So I'm going to use a blow dryer to speed up the process, and I'm going to also cut the stocking cap. I'm going to work on cutting off the band that's around the stocking cap. Sorry guys, I'm really sick right now, so excuse my voice. And then I'm just going to cut around my ears. So the point is, you're not supposed to be able to see the stocking cap band once you put the wig on. This method is really good for frontals because you won't be able to see the stocking cap band. If you wear frontals, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. When you have on a wig cap or a stocking cap, you can definitely see the little stocking cap band through the lace. So this just avoids you being able to see the stocking cap band. So I'm going to be using some Got to Be Glued gel. I'm going to put that all around the perimeter of my head. Then I'm going to use a blow dryer to kind of speed up the drying process, and then I'm going to go through with another layer until the gel becomes sticky. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. I have adjusted the straps and I removed one of the clips on top. So, whoo, here we go. Okay. Make sure it's even. Oh yeah, it's already sticking. I'm just using my nails to kind of push the frontal down. You don't want to use your fingers because your fingers have oils and it will make the lace white. So use like a comb, or you can use your nails if you have some. I mean, I didn't mean it like that, but like if you have nails that is long enough so that it doesn't touch your skin. The ear tabs off because I don't need them. Okay, so then I'm going to use a head tie. This is something that if you are securing your wig down, especially with Got to Be Glued, I would definitely use a head scarf because it's just going to make your wig lay flatter, and it's also going to help the wig hold more. So because it's not like a heavy duty gel, I would definitely do the scarf method. I'll let this sit for about 10 minutes. It should be, you know, pretty much intact by then. In the meantime, what you could do is go ahead and style your hair however you're going to style it. So let's take it off and see what I'm working with. Okay, so it's pretty much stuck. I need to fix that part. I'll probably have to cut some of that off. Okay, everything goes behind the ears pretty good. Can probably go in and pluck the hairline a little bit. I'm going to use a hot comb. I do like this method. It just makes it really gets in there with the roots and get it really straight. Definitely want to work in small sections. That's when you're going to feel the heat the most. I had to play around with this hot comb. I got this from Target. When I started testing it out, it really wasn't getting hot. And I figured out the reason why. Like right now it's hot. It's because I was taking big chunks of hair and running the hot comb through, and it really wasn't pressing the hair, and the heat wasn't staying in the hair either. So I'm gonna just take this side so I can show you guys the difference that it makes. So you go in, you press the back down. See how it made that flatter? So I'm just going to work on this side. Be careful not to burn yourself because this thing gets really hot. I actually like this method a lot better than using like a curling wand or a curling iron, just because this really gets in and makes the hair flat, like really flat. Okay, so this is pretty much what the hairline looks like. I do need to go in and tint the lace because it is looking a little white. In today's look, it's just going to be a side part with some big loose curls. This wig is from BestLaceWigs. This is a 360 silky straight wig. The inches on this wig is 18 inches. The density is 150%. I don't think this is 150% density wig. I think it's more like a regular wig, to be honest with you. This wig is not as full as I would like it to be, and it does not hold a curl very long. Even though I did use holding spray, the curls still fell. So if you would like to put curls in this wig, just keep in mind that the curls probably won't last that long, and more so because it's a straight wig as well. I will definitely be practicing more on this stocking cap method because I do like the look that it gives. I like that you don't see the stocking cap band, so that's a huge plus. So yeah, I'm just going to work on that. I'll come back with an updated video. This install was okay. It was okay, but I feel like it can be better, and it will be better. But if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, everything will be below in the description bar. Thanks for watching, guys.